Hello everybody. This is of course an Avis 7640. As you can tell, I've already went through the plastic and I am about to get this ready to make a challenge lock out of it. But I figured this is probably the first time for someone doing this on camera with one of these. I don't know, I haven't seen it, but we are now getting down to the nitty-gritty of what is inside the Avis 7640. Let's see, get the key. Figured I'd choose one with decent bidding, but kind of high as a challenge lock. And let's see if I can finish. Oh yeah, there's this little pin here that is to allow to keep the shackle in, but once that pin's out, falls out, you're not going to be able to well, you're able to take the shackle out. So let's go ahead and get rid of that pin. Go ahead and get rid of it, and right there it is. Who knows, that right there might become something for a challenge lock in the future. I've got a few of those. But anyways, let's see if I can go ahead and get everything exposed up close and personal of what's on the inside of this thing. I know probably a few of y'all are cringing at the fact that I'm doing this to one of these locks, but it's alright. And now, a little bit further, take out the shackle. There we go. We'll just set this off to the side. Now, here is the goodies. Let me find my tweezers. Right there they are in front of my face. Get a piece of plastic out of the way. Get this stuff out of the way. Definitely have to take the vacuum over here and vacuum up a lot of this debris. And get back into making more challenge locks. And there we go. It's all in view if we can see what's going on here. Slide this little plate back a little bit. Start exposing it. Alright, what I want to do is that there, so when that spring comes up, and hey, that spring don't jump out, leap out at me. So here we go. And figure out where that spring went. Alright, as you see in chamber 8, there is a standard key pin. And here is going to be a spool. You will see that these are all going to be standard key pins and spools in each of the chambers. I have to find that spring. I think that's it, but I don't think that is. I'll locate it here in a little bit. Go ahead and finish up this and finish out the video. I'll get everything taken care of and we'll go from there later. Oh, yeah, that was a spring. Once again, another standard key pin, another spool. Make sure that spring doesn't leap out. Yep. A little bit magnetic. Yeah, a little bit magnetic. So we'll put that right there. Alright. Another standard key pin and spool. Tweezers. that one's not jumping out, but let's go ahead and have that on there. No worries. I'll get that a little bit later. I just want to get these out of here. Key pin. And spool. And there went that spring. That was my mistake. Another standard key pin and spool. Try not to launch another spring again. Another standard key pin and a spool. Alright. Get that spring out. Oh man. This is going to be fun. Since this has happened, I guess it's a good thing it did happen, because what I'm going to have to do is I'll have to put these key pins back in. Here are these last two, and set the spool in, put the key, twist, and make sure that the key pins line up to the cuts on the key. And it looks like, from what I'm seeing, it pretty much matches up right there at the very end, but I'll do that later off camera. Get these springs kind of situated. Spool, spring, spool. And that means I've got two springs I have to find, one here and one on the floor. But I'll show you exactly what we got here. 8 standard key pins, 8 standard spools. That's pretty much what's in each and every one of these and how they are made. That concludes this video. Everybody, take care. Hope you had a great weekend, and hope you have an awesome week.